Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, back at it with another unboxing. We're doing this one in the kitchen for this right here, the Blink Mini Indoor HD camera. All right, let's start with this unboxing. See how we can open this up. Very tiny camera, HD camera. It's got on the top, you can see let's get started, tells you exactly what to do. Got to download the Blink app, plug in the camera and set it up that way. It's even got a QR code. Let's take the camera out. Get this plastic, says remove before using. I could take that off because I'm going to set this up right after this video is done. So of course you want to watch that review. See if we get any mouse footage. The camera itself is very small. Whoa, look at that. Holy cow. Let me see if I can show that. Old school micro USB. I can't believe they're still making devices with micro USB. But this is a really super affordable camera, so it probably costs less to go old school like that. Thankfully, it does have the block and a nice long cable. Micro USB cable, I should also mention. So that's simple enough. That's a very quick unboxing. Let's see if there's anything else. Oh, you always want to look. Oh, it's got some screws. Interesting. You can mount this. I'll have to check that out. And I'm just going to take this whole thing apart because you want to make sure that all this stuff is recyclable. Amazon actually does a really good job about that. So yeah, again, this whole thing can be taken apart and recycled. So what I'm going to do now, folks, is set this up. So that is one of the most simplest unboxings ever. Like I mentioned, I think I got a mouse. I'm going to set this camera up somewhere around here, maybe on the ground to see if it's climbing up the wall. It's going to be a good test to see how the motion detection, because mice are fast. We'll see if this camera can detect it. Maybe I'll put it nice and close, see what kind of footage I get. And folks, you're going to want to watch that video. Will I catch a mouse eating my bread? Stay tuned. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy Media, signing out. See you again next time.